god, okay. We're gonna show you my gun collection. I did another video. You gotta go check it on my channel name. If you watch my videos. It's I got more guns. But yeah, tomorrow I might do, if you saw my lemon challenge video, I told you that I was gonna do a video about showing my other guns, and I even said I might do a video tomorrow about shooting. So let me show you my guns. My friend is so stupid. Okay, this is my MP30. Yeah. Yes, it's my M30. I mean, sorry. You can see right there. If it concentrates. Yeah, you can see it there. This is the clip. If it's in the gun, like it's supposed to. So the gun is good aiming. Yeah. It feels like it's backwards on my camera. Jesus. Whatever, I don't know. It's weird. And my friend is gonna show the other gun. Even has like a thing to hold your hand in it. I'm holding the gun. I got like freaking bruise, but whatever. This is my other pistol
that we showed in the lemon challenge.
Yeah, there was a sneak peek.
Little sneak peek that we said
it's a CO2 gun. Doesn't have any CO2 and a device sound. Yeah, it's the clip. Shoots metal BBs. Goes in the gun like it's supposed to. Sorry. My mouse fell. Okay.
Dude, just put it on the camera.
So it looks like this is the gun with the suppressor. There we go. My friend is gonna show you my other gun.
Pretty bad gun. I like it. It's one of my favorites. Anyways, it has a cool clip. Just push the button. Don't fucking find the button. There it is. Push this button. Pretty cool clip. Where is the camera? Anyways, that's pretty cool. The spring, you could store BBs in this little holder. In that holder. And like you could, it holds up to 500 in this little cap. Anyways, it holds up to 500 BBs in this cap. And then there's a little hole down here that goes.
Get out my gun!
Break your gun. Anyways, it goes in here.
It's my favorite gun. Sorry.
That's his favorite gun. Anyways, and it's a pretty cool gun. I like it. If I can put the clip in right. This is how you charge it right here. Can you see? Oh my gosh, I hate talking
I'll
about
cock you gently.
Anyways.
Cock you gently. Does it have any BBs? No.
No. It doesn't have any
test
BBs.
shoot tomorrow.
We're gonna test it. We're gonna like shoot it and hope you like.
Oh, okay, no one cares. Oh. Okay, so this gun.
That was the machine gun.
This gun was in a sneak peek with the thing.
Lemon challenge.
Yeah, no, let me challenge. Yes,
I was wearing the shirt last time.
Dang, I can't do this. There we go.
Oh,
shoots.
Oh.
And here's the safety. You push this up and down. Safety.
And maybe we can show my other machine gun.
Yeah, he bought a cool one.
I bought a really
maybe
cool
tomorrow.
One, and I'll take you to party and everything and show you.
Yeah.
And then I'll shoot it. So it's a really cool gun. But like, trust me, you're gonna love it. Tomorrow. It's not gonna happen overnight today, but it'll happen tomorrow because.
So you shoot it like that.
Oh!
Then it's gonna go back. So.
My friend keeps shooting me.
Look at my dad made this. This freaking awesome.
Oh yeah,
My dad made this.
made that at work. It is awesome.
He knows how to make. Oh, look at if you're wondering on my
Yeah.
hand. We were like stuff on our hand. I don't know. We were bored.
We were bored, so look at.
Look at.
I still have kind of.
I
a
drew a gun in my finger.
Oh, I don't know if my
So-
thing on my back is still there, but it was still there. He drew
It
something
was,
on my
it was
back.
like a face and then like yeah. I don't know.
It was funny, but like,
Yes, my Python. My dad made it. It's not a baby gun, as you can see.
but it's metal and it will hurt.
Demonstration there. It's on the ground and now he's dead. So that's it for today, again. Make my videos. Thank you, Gary. Okay, it's not dead. Okay. We'll probably make airsoft war with a cameraman and everything.
And we'll tape it to my forehead. Yeah.
No, we'll make it on the get out of here.
Yeah.
So
We'll make it on the.
goodbye, guys.
How's this thing connected, anyways?
On my leave it alone.
Never mind. Okay.
Goodbye, bro.